Search engine optimization, or SEO, is the key to unlocking organic traffic and visibility for any website. In today's digital age, businesses, marketers, and entrepreneurs need to stay ahead of the competition. And mastering SEO can be the game changer. SEO is the practice of optimizing a website so that it ranks higher on search engines like Google, Bing, and Yahoo. But what exactly does it entail? In this comprehensive SEO marketing course, you will learn everything from the basics to advanced strategies that can help elevate your website's position on the search engine results pages. Businesses today rely heavily on online visibility. Think about it. How many times do you search for a product or service online? Now imagine your business being on that first page of results. That's what SEO can do. Ranking higher can lead to more traffic, credibility, and conversions. Whether you're a small business owner or a digital marketer, SEO can drive real results. This SEO marketing course is designed to take you from beginner to advanced. Let's take a closer look at the key modules you'll explore. The first module covers the foundational concepts of SEO. You'll learn about keywords, meta descriptions, and how search engines actually work. Understanding these basics is critical before diving into more complex strategies. Keywords are the backbone of SEO. In this module, you'll learn how to find the right keywords that align with your business goals. From long-tail keywords to competitive analysis, you'll discover how to target the right audience. On-page SEO is all about optimizing the content and HTML source code of a page. From structuring your content to using the right tags, this module helps you optimize each page of your website to improve rankings. Off-page SEO focuses on improving your site's authority and trustworthiness. Link building, guest posting, and social signals are just some of the strategies you'll learn to enhance your site's credibility across the web. Technical SEO involves optimizing your website's backend. You'll learn how to ensure your site loads quickly, is mobile-friendly, and is free of errors that could impact user experience and search rankings. Once you've implemented SEO, monitoring your progress is crucial. In this module, you'll get familiar with tools like Google Analytics and Search Console to track your site's performance and make data-driven decisions. By the end of this SEO marketing course, you'll not only have the skills to optimize your own website, but you'll also be able to help others improve their online presence. Whether you're looking to boost your career or grow your business, SEO is an invaluable tool. Don't just take our word for it. Here are some success stories from individuals who have completed the course and achieved incredible results. Are you ready to take your SEO skills to the next level? Enroll today in our SEO marketing course and unlock the potential of your website. The journey to better search rankings starts here. Master the art of SEO, grow your online presence, and lead the digital world with confidence.